Welcome to our first lesson. How are you? You've just clicked on this my thread here, which instructed by the news to go to forum and click on the 5 easy steps. Part of that process will be for you to click on this file, which is a PowerPoint presentation, and I've already done that today. So in this thread, I would have told you which lessons we were doing. So this is an example. I would have said today we are doing lesson 3. So your first task is to make sure you've logged your attendance. So click here, there's your attendance, and you'll only have to do that 3 times a week because we count the double as one session. Make your tick so it turns green and then press return. Go back to your class page. So remember I said we're trialing here lesson 3. So then you go to your folder section and we're going to lesson 3. We have 5 easy steps for this. First of all, you'll need to open up this Word document, and most probably we'll need to open up the PowerPoint presentation, which I have also done again. So let's log on and press it, which I have done. So you'll end up opening up this file, and we have the title page, the important end part where we do all our summary notes, and then we have the various activities. So the first activity is the pre-video questions, and they can come in various format, such as open-ended, and this is based on previous lessons. So as I say, what is meant by combustion? And you simply click on and then start typing away. Combustion is a form of synthesis of so on. Then we need to go to the second part, having completed those preliminary questions, go to the PowerPoint, which is a summary of your textbook. So here we specifically tell you to go to slides 7 to 10 and copy any key notes into your workbook. That's your class workbook, an exercise, usually about 64 pages. So we go to that PowerPoint. I'll just click on here, which is this one here. And we were told to go to slide 7. And remember, all you simply do is read through and summarize. So I'll finish just write something about exothermic reactions. And combustion is the reaction of a fuel and oxygen gas. Having completed that, we then return to our Word document. All right, so there it is. We go to the next stage, which is to watch a video. So you'll find that on the lesson page of the document. There is our video. Simply click on and make some notes as you're watching. And here's the advantage. You have full control of the pace at which you learn. So you can pause, time, rewind, and so forth. In actual fact, there's a couple of videos here to watch. Having completed that and made some notes, we're ready to go back to our Word document again. Remember, it's 5 easy steps. We're now up to step 4. Now, remember it says here complete. Uh, Watch the video in your folder and complete the notes table on the previous page. And that's what we refer to as the previous page. And then finally, the post video. So based on what you've seen today, you should be able to answer these questions. Again, click on and start typing away. And then simply save that to your workspace. And you'll do that for each of the lessons. So I'll go through that again, but this time I'll use my PowerPoint presentation that I prepared. Remember, that was on the class page. That quickly summarizes those 5 steps. So let's go through that again. So 5 easy steps. Don't forget to always mark your own attendance. Step 1 is the pre-questions. You are required to answer a couple of questions. They could be either formal, such as matching, or it could be open-ended questions. And it's a matter of simply clicking or tapping and typing your answer. Step 2 of the PowerPoint. Remember, you'll be given instructions to which slides of the PowerPoint. Don't forget to make some key notes and make them into your workbook. And there'll be a separate slideshow for each chapter, sections 3.1, 3.2. Then we go on to the next one, which is watch the video, or I should say video sometimes. Again, you are making jotting down some notes. Remember, you have full control. And don't forget, you're going to be completing this table, which is step 4. Step 4 is a summary worksheet. Remember, at the start of each document, you'll find that document there. So, for instance, we have done lesson 1 for you as an example. But there'll be expectation that you'll do your own in latter lessons. And that will be step 4. And finally, step 5, your post video questions. Again, it's a case of click and start typing away. And that will be a lesson. And you'll be ready to go on with future lessons as per timetable. So, for instance, if you've got a double, you'll be doing 2 lessons. And that's the 5 easy steps.